Hi, hello, and welcome to the 10th and last part of this series of tutorials about setting up your SuSanA partner profile. In this part, I will be covering up publications. So basically, you can upload a publication to your profile, and this publication could eventually be included in the SuSanA library after a quality check by the SuSanA Secretariat. This is actually a very interesting feature because the SuSanA Library is currently home to about 1,700 publications about sanitation, and all these publications were contributed by SuSanA members. So we highly encourage you to go ahead and include your publications and help grow the resources of this library. Okay, so to upload a publication, simply go to the Resources and Publication tab and click on the New Entry button that is located on the right-hand side of your screen. Then enter the name of your publication and then click on Create Entry. Then fill out the form with the relevant information about your publication. In my case, I will just enter random information for the purposes of this tutorial, but in your case, just make sure that you enter the relevant and appropriate information about your publication. And once you're finished, simply scroll down and click on Save Changes. A pop-up window lets you know that your changes have been saved, so click on OK. Okay, so the first step has been completed, which is setting up the basic details about the publication. On the second step, you want to make sure that you actually include a picture, so it's a cover picture for this entry. I am not gonna do this in this tutorial because I have already covered up a tutorial about uploading images. So if you have questions about how to upload an image, please go and watch the third part of this series of tutorials about uploading images. So let's assume that I have already uploaded an image. It's also important that you set filters so that your project has, so that your publication has enough information about certain categories. I have also made a tutorial about setting filters in the fourth part of this series of tutorials. So if you have questions, simply refer to that part. Also make sure that you include hyperlinks if they're relevant, and also include further PDF files such as an annex or an abstract. But the most important part is that you actually upload the publication itself. So scroll down to the Media Manager and click on Manage PDF Files. And now browse your document from your computer or your hard drive and give it a name, and then upload the file. Okay, so go back to your entry, and once that you made sure that your details are complete, that you have a picture, that you have set filters and relevant hyperlinks and further PDF files, then you can at this point also mention SuSanA partners that were involved in the process of your publication. So if you scroll down to the modules part, you will see a button that says SuSanA partners involved. So go ahead and click there, and you will be redirected to another form about the SuSanA partners involved. This is also a nice feature because you will be mentioning partners in your publication, and these partners will also be aware of it because this information will appear in their profiles. So it's quite a nice gesture. So to mention a partner, simply scroll down to the name of the organization or SuSanA partner field and add the name of your partner. Also, if you forgot the name of your partner, a list will pop up with autocomplete values suggesting names in order to help you. So once you've included the name of the partner involved, you might also want to mention the role that this partner had during your publication. So let's say, for example, forward in this case. Then I will just click on Add Partner, and as you can see, it has already been included. I want to, if you have more than one partners involved, then I will just include a second one, as well as their role. I click on Add Partner, and now I have two. And you can also rearrange the order of the partners, let's say alphabetically. So you can just click on Save New Ordering, and that would be about it. You can mention as many partners as you have in your publication. So just go ahead and keep adding partners as appropriate. And when you're finished, go back to the last page. Okay, so at this point, everything is complete. You have set up the details of the publication. You have uploaded a picture, set filters, and further PDF files, as well as SuSanA partners involved. Now, at this point, you can already click on this button that says Send to Review. And what this will do is, once you click on it, the SuSanA Secretariat will receive an email letting them know that you would like to publish this document. So click on OK, and as you can see, the button has now changed its status to in review process. So this means that the SuSanA Secretariat is now checking or conducting a quality check for your document. And at this point, two things can happen. First, if your publication is accepted, then you will receive an email alerting you that your resource has been published in the SuSanA Library and is now available on your partner page and on the library of the SuSanA website. And therefore, the status of this button will change to online. Right. On the other hand, if your publication gets rejected, then you will also receive an email letting you know that your request to publish your resource on the SuSanA Library has been rejected after reviewing. And therefore, this entry itself will be deleted. And the only thing that will remain is any PDF file that has been uploaded, which will then appear on the Media Manager in your profile. Now, about the rejection criteria, please note that we will only reject publications due to content related criteria, such as no relation to sanitation or no global relevance of your resource, or maybe the quality is too low for the library. But we will not reject a publication if the filters are, for example, not set correctly, or if the citation rules are not 100% met. In that case, we can adjust such things on our own, so it's not a reason to reject a resource. Nevertheless, the basic citation rules are described on the guideline that will support these video tutorials, just for future reference. However, if your resource gets rejected, we still encourage you to improve it and try a second time or as many times as needed in order to publish it in the SuSanA Library. Right. So this is basically how you can send a publication for review to the SuSanA Secretariat in order for them to check it and publish it in the library. And basically this is it. With this part, I would like to finish this series of tutorials, and I would like to thank you for watching and for becoming a SuSanA partner. And we naturally look forward to future collaboration. So if you have any questions or comments, please address them to this email address. And Thank you again for watching.